Hello everyone, this is Gaurang Maiti. Today in this video I talk about stress and type of stress. What is stress? When the workload on you is more, this is called stress, or it is something else. Let's see. It's not the mental stress. We are talk about the engineering stress or the stress which is in our used in the engineering or the science. Stress is the nothing but internal resisting force generated or produced by the material itself against the deformation or against to resist the deformation. Now, if you see the formula of stress, it is P equal to A, P by rho, P by A, sigma equal to P by A, where P is the applied force and A is the cross-sectional area. And I will defining why it is cross-sectional, why it is not the plane or inclined surface. Before and this can be expressed as F by A also. Why F by A? Now to cause the deformation, or you should remember this, to cause deformation, the net force should be zero. That is, applied force and the internal resistance force should be zero. That is, P should be equal to F. External applied force is P and F is the internal resisting force which is generated by the material. Now sigma can be expressed P by A and F by A also. So both are same. Now I talk about the why it is cross-sectional area. Why we consider the cross-sectional area? When we are designing a component, we always consider, or you must consider the maximum stress. And maximum stress in a material generated only when the cross section, when the denominator is less. If you see the formula of stress, sigma equal to, for in case of normal stress, I am not talking about shear stress, although both are same thing, but denoting symbol is different. And when we consider the maximum stress, the denominator, that is area, should be less. And when it should be minimum, when it is considered as a cross-sectional area. Now, there are different section in a material, that is cross. This is the cross-sectional area. If you cut this material, this will be the cross-sectional area, and sometime inclined area also, and sometime surface area also. Now in stress calculation, your area always should be cross-sectional area for to getting the maximum stress. And the type of stress, there are normal stress and shear stress. Normal stress are under the normal stress there are tensile stress and compressive stress. And when it is tensile, when a component is stretched outside, and this type of stress is called tensile kind of stress. And when you put the force on this way, then the stress generated compressive type of stress. And when you if I given you a value, and how do you understand this is compressive type of stress or tensile kind of stress? If your if the numerical value is denoted by a negative sign, then it is compressive stress. And if it is positive, then you should consider it as a tensile stress. And when it is in case of tensile or compressive stress, it is acting on the surface perpendicular. And in case of shear stress, the force acting on a surface parallel. So in case of tensile and compressive, force acting on the surface perpendicular, and in case of shear stress, the force acting on a surface parallelly. So hope you understand the what is stress and their types. And before end of the video, I will put you a interesting question, that is why stress is put on y-axis and strain in put x-axis. Hope and I hope the answer come on comment box. Thank you and thanks for watching my video. Tata.